Deadpool 3 official trailer breaks the internet again, and people are wondering what actually happening in the movie. Because if we talk about this trailer, we finally get to see our Wolverine with comic accurate costume, which was the dream of many Marvel fans, especially mutant fans. But if we talk about this movie, this is not only about Deadpool but also about Wolverine. As we can see, Marvel Studios' logo is painted with both the colors. We can see Wolverine chilling in a bar but interrupted by Deadpool for a specific mission. But Wolverine will not follow Deadpool no matter what will happen. And we get to know that he is responsible for breakdown of his entire universe, or we can say the world of mutants. Only he is the sole survivor, which has already been revealed by Mr. Paradox. But the most amazing part of this trailer was its villain, who is Cassandra Nova, evil twin of Professor Charles Xavier, which have powers of telepathy and also telekinesis, as we can see in that clip that she can control Wolverine's adamantium metal, which clearly indicates that she has the powers of not only Professor Charles Xavier but also Magneto. But the most important part is that her base is set up in void under giant Ant-Man skulls, and if you read comics, we will get to know that this was the part of Old Man Logan comic book series, and it resembles very similar to that. But if we talk about some mutants which have made their return, which were Lady Deathstrike, Toad, Callisto, and Azazel, and we have seen them in X-Men First Class and also Wolverine's origin. But the biggest question is that what has happened to Wolverine universe that all his friends and families has gone forever. So let's make a clear important theory. If we talk about Loki season 1, we have already seen Void and how deadly it can be. We have seen Aloyth, which was controlled by He Who Remains. But we have already seen at the end of that episode that Sylvie ends his life. So currently Aloyth is in control of Cassandra. Let's take an example. Cassandra has powers of telepathy, so she can mind control that giant creature, and currently she is ruling the entire void, and TVA wants Deadpool to clear her out. And it may be said that by establishing her empire in void, she has the power to destroy each and every timeline or universe one by one of the entire multiverse, which includes Deadpool main universe also. That's why Deadpool need help of Wolverine in order to make things right. But after that we can see that Deadpool is fighting TVA agents. So here is another twisted theory. We all know that Wolverine was the sole survivor of his universe and was on the run, maybe with the help of TVA Tempad, which was used by a younger version of Sylvie in order to run from Ramona Renslayer in different timelines. So TVA wants Deadpool to catch Wolverine, and then TVA agents was there in order to end Wolverine permanently. But Deadpool wants to save him, so he was fighting TVA agents. Number 2 theory is that there can be possibility that the main villain of Deadpool 3 is not Cassandra but the TVA itself, because we have seen in Loki TV series TVA was always present in order to save the sacred timeline, but with the help of Loki, who is now the god of time, or we can say the god of stories, each and every timeline now it has own free will or choice, and this might be creating workload in TVA office. So the current TVA head, who is Mr. Paradox, wants to remove these timeline slowly and silently so that nobody can be blamed rather than their universe variant. And this might be the reason they want to clear out each and every Fox universe timeline in order to save the MCU timeline. And if we talk about Cassandra Nova, she looks quite young, so this can be possible. We will get to see younger version of Charles Xavier and Magneto, who were present in X-Men First Class and Apocalypse. But if we talk about some cameos regarding Marvel Cinematic Universe, then there can be possibility of Spider-Man, Hulk, and even Captain Steve Rogers. Because if we talk about these two trailers which we have seen, then we have seen only mutants, but there can be possibility that Hulk and Wolverine can have some match in order to create the hype for future Hulk movies. Some new leaks also suggest that most of the variants which we will get to see in this movie will be of Deadpool and Wolverine. Like we have already seen Dogpool in this trailer, but if we talk about some new Deadpool variants, then we will get to see Hatpool, then Lady Deadpool, Kidpool, and one of the most weird variants which can be called as Evil Deadpool. What happened actually, Deadpool body parts assemble together by itself and form a newer version of Deadpool in order to take the revenge from that real Deadpool. And this might happen in this movie. And if we talk about Wolverine variants, then we can see some Wolverine variants played by some other actors. Now let's talk about some new important leaks. There is one important concept of chosen one, which means that if one universe is there, then there must be chosen one in order to save or ensure that survival of that particular universe. For example, if the chosen one of that particular universe dies, then the whole universe will end automatically. Currently, this movie seems very interesting because it will form a foundation for the next Avengers 5 movie. But if we talk about some recent cameos, then it suggests that it will focus on more mutants rather than Avengers. Because if we talk about current Marvel Cinematic Universe, then we have already seen many new type of superheroes which will be present in new Avengers 5 movie like Moon Knight, Eternals, Shang-Chi, She-Hulk, Miss Marvel, etc. But if we talk about mutants other than Wanda and Quicksilver, we haven't seen anyone. So there is a possibility that in current Marvel Cinematic Universe doesn't exist. Yes, you heard it right. Because if we talk about events of Spider-Man where Tom Holland's Spider-Man was proudly talking about Avengers, then Toby and Andrew shows the signs of confusion because in their universe Avengers doesn't exist. Similarly, if this concept applies to each and every universe who is different in itself, then in current Marvel Cinematic Universe we will get to see no mutants. So this can be fairly possible because if we talk about upcoming movie like Avengers 5, then all different type of superheroes like Avengers, mutants and even Fantastic Four will come together from different parts of the universe to form a team in order to stop the big bad. But if we talk about Deadpool 3 ending, then the fan wants to know what will really happen because it has been said that before the release of the entire trailer that Deadpool and Wolverine will reach a certain point which will create breakdown in the entire multiverse, and this will cause a battleground, or we can say the events of Secret Wars where superheroes and supervillains together will fight with each other. Because if we talk about current Marvel Cinematic Universe storyline, this is not always comic accurate because Marvel Studios wants to add some of its old stories in order to create some new hype and excitement among Marvel fans. So comic book storyline might be helping in forming the new Avengers 5 story with some important twists which are unexpected. But if we talk about some definite cameos, then it has been said that we might get to see Thor and Deadpool will wield Thor hammer in order to create confusion among Marvel fans that our Deadpool is worthy or not. Because if we talk about these two, then they have a very important role for the next event. And if we talk about Deadpool, then definitely it might break the records of all Marvel movies except Avengers Endgame.